It's Flatbread Friday again, and I had some ingredients in the house that inspired me to quench my craving for Asian food today. So today we're going to make a Asian beef and broccoli flatbread. And we have some ground beef and some baby broccoli from Misfits Market and some spices and seasonings and artisan flatbread from Misfits Market. And here we go. We're gonna start our beef topping with beef and broccoli topping with some neutral oil in a skillet over medium-ish heat. And in goes some diced white onion that we're going to season with a little salt, not too much, and pepper, because we're going to use soy sauce, which is salty. We have some Asian 5-spice. That's going in. And for a little bit of heat, some crushed red pepper flake. And we're going to stir that around till those onions are softened up. While our onions are cooking, we're going to make a sauce for our beef mixture. That was cornstarch that just went in there. And now we're going to whisk in a little bit of beef stock, which is going to make kind of a slurry sauce. We don't want too much sauce because we don't want the pizza to be wet. But, so you can see that cornstarch is all nicely incorporated into that beef stock. Now we're going to add a little bit of brown sugar, sweeten it up a bit. That will also act to take a little bit of the saltiness of the soy sauce, which is going in now. And for a little tang, some rice wine vinegar. Now let's go check our onion. Okay, our onions are softening up nicely. They are nice and fragrant. We're going to add in some minced garlic and some of that pureed ginger that I have, that I love to use because it keeps and it's pureed already, and that makes it nice and easy. We're going to stir. Here's our baby broccoli florets, and we don't really have to cook these because they're going to be on top of the pizza, but I want to incorporate the onion, garlic, ginger flavor into the broccoli, so that's going in for just a minute. Stir it around a coat. Now, this filling is going to be too much for one little flatbread, so we're going to have to figure out what else to do with it. And so this thing's going in is our cooked and drained ground beef. I don't think I need all of this. That should do. Stir that around. And now comes our sauce. And because of the cornstarch, that's going to thicken up nicely, and it's just going to make a nice topping for our flatbread. Yeah, you can see it's thickening up already. Our beef and broccoli flatbread topping is mixed together. We're going to remove it from the heat and let it cool down a little bit, and then we're going to build our flatbread. This is going to be an easy and tasty flatbread. And Asian food is not very often, accompanied with cheese, but because this is a pizza, we're going to put some cheese on it, and we're going to use mozzarella because it's kind of a neutral flavor. But the first thing we're going to do is spread our topping all over this nice flatbread. Our beef and broccoli flavored. Oh, it's so delicious. Gingery, it's sweet, spicy. Now we're going to just give it a light sprinkle of mozzarella. Then we're going to bake it in the oven, and then we're going to eat it up. Cheese is on, and we're ready to go in. We're going to go in for about 20 minutes so this crust crisps up nicely so we can hold that heavy topping. And here we go. Our Asian beef and broccoli flatbread is out of the oven, browned up nicely, crispy around the edges, crispy on the bottom too. There's what it looks like up close. And now we're gonna slice it and serve it. Here we have our Asian beef and broccoli pizza on a little flatbread on a little Asian plate. And you know, I like to decorate things. Kelly's woofing up. So we're gonna sprinkle it with a little sliced scallion, a little bit of sesame seed. And there she is, ready to go. Thank you for joining me. I'm gonna mention that there's no need to order Chinese food today because we have this. It's a pizza, but it's very Asian. And like I said, sweet and spicy and really good. And we're gonna eat it up, and thanks again. We'll see you next time.